Plug in the power cord. The machine will beep once, and the screen will flash once and then turn off, entering standby mode. Press the power button. The device will automatically enter the default temperature mode. Tap the temperature button to switch between 3 levels: 140 Fahrenheit, 176 Fahrenheit, and 212 Fahrenheit. The corresponding indicator light will illuminate. Press and hold the power button for 3 seconds to activate the child lock. All other buttons will be disabled. Press and hold again for 3 seconds to deactivate the lock. Press the power button again to turn the mat off. Clean the mat surface with a soft, damp cloth, then let it air dry. Unplug and allow the mat to cool completely before storing. Roll up the mat and secure it with the included storage strap. Important notes: do not place flammable items such as paper, fabric, etc. on the silicone surface to avoid fire or safety risks. Always place food in containers before heating. Do not place food directly on the mat. Do not place sealed cans, vacuum-packed items, or similar containers on the mat to avoid explosion.